Why video? Video content is the fastest growing online marketing medium. Video's easy to digest format allows business to connect with consumers directly in an engaging and an interactive way. Increasingly, video has been shown to attract consumers' attention more than any other form of advertising. Can you believe that 1 minute of video equals 1.8 million words? 81% of consumers currently interact with brands on social media. 98% of video users said that they have watched a video to learn more about a product or service. Almost half of viewers say that they've actually made a purchase as a result of watching a branded video on social media. Did you know that you can track the success of your videos? You are able to measure the number of times someone watches a video and if the video encourages more consumers to interact with your business. By 2022, video content will account for over 80% of all consumer internet traffic. In summary, video is here to stay, and in order to stay competitive and relevant, it will be critical to incorporate video into your content marketing strategy. Video content is an appealing way for business to engage directly with their audience and give them an insight into how the business operates. An engaging, well-produced video advertisement can be the start of a long-term customer relationship.